Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button. It only take a moment. If you have done that, let me show you how I make this delicious sauce. You will love it. Pour in your vegetable oil in a pan on a low to medium heat. Generously add your onions and mix that well. Then go ahead and add your fresh garlic and ginger, followed by your shredded beef. Give that a good stir and make sure every little strand of the beef feels the love. Now add your thyme, curry and powdered pepper and any spices of your choice. Give that a good stir as well, then add your blended tomato. Stir that as well and cover it up for 5 minutes to mellow that sharp tangy flavor tomatoes sometimes bring. After 5 minutes, add your green pepper, carrot and grated Scotch Bonnet Pepper for the heat and some Irish potatoes cubes. Give all of that a good stir, season with salt and your favorite seasoning cube. And add 1 cup of water to soften the potatoes and to cook all other ingredients. And if you have boiled heads, chop it like it's hot to soak up all the delicious goodness. Cover and let it simmer on low heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, your sauce should be ready. By now, the aroma alone must be making you hungry. Now look at that masterpiece. Please try this recipe for your family and thank me later. Transfer that into a dish for serving and garnish with shredded cabbage for that satisfying crunch, followed by spring onions for yummy flavor. Now look at that again, so beautiful. Over here, I pair this with hot white rice on a Sunday evening. Subscribe to my channel for delicious recipes like this. Drop a comment if you want me to do more videos. See you in my next video. Bye!